Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, you will learn OOPS concepts step by step. This is Java OOPS programming session number 91, data hiding versus encapsulation. We will discuss in a deep way. If you are serious about learning, then like the video and subscribe to the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notification option. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. These are the important entry question. What's the difference between a data hiding and encapsulation? Whether both are same? Definitely not. Okay, no. But related one. Data hiding is a process or base for encapsulation. Data hiding means it is focused only on data hiding. Okay, hiding the data only is the primary job for data hiding. Encapsulation means focus on wrapping, that is combining data members and methods into a single entity. So data hiding, they will use the weapon as a private. Here, a private plus methods. Data hiding is a technique or process. Encapsulation is a OOPS concept. So data hiding is a part of encapsulation. Encapsulation uses data hiding technique. So encapsulation is just data hiding is the right word because many of the beginners are confusing whether both are same. Definitely no. It is a technique. Data hiding is a technique, but encapsulation is a OOPS concept. So encapsulation is going to use the technique. Encapsulation is to going to use the data hiding technique. Do you need both? Yes, best practice as per the industry standards. Data hiding protect the data, encapsulation protecting plus control access. Through validation, the method will be accessed. Only the after validation part success only, method is allowed to set the data or initialize the data. Always use both together. Both are our eyes. We can't use any one alone. Am I right? So both are essential. Interview questions, what you may expect. These are the important things we have to discuss. So now we'll discuss with the real-time examples, the forthcoming video. First, now just try to understand the interview questions alone. So, what is data hiding? It is restricting direct access to the data members by making them a private. You're restricting the data. Am I right? You are restricting the direct access to data members. How you are achieving means by making the variables as data members as a private one. This is the key part. So what's the difference between data hiding and encapsulation means? Data hiding will take care about the data protection part alone, while encapsulation is about both wrapping data and methods into a single entity. The final trick is data hiding is equal to private variable. Encapsulation is private variable plus public method. So these are the simple example. It shows both are not same. What's the goal of data hiding? Hiding the data, but no control logic. See here, data is hidden. That's it. It will carry. It will check only this part only. This is about so data hiding. So method is available. There is no validation. Anyone can able to just pass the method and then update it, even if it is wrong also. Even if I'm giving the balance as minus 50,000, it'll add it. Or if my original balance is 1,000, I'm changing as a 1 lakh. So that is also possible here. Am I right? So they will give the wrong value also. No validation. So minus 1,000 means it is allowed. This minus 1,000 is updated and then it will be stored in the balance. You'll get the wrong output minus 1,000. So data is hidden. Yes, data hiding is possible, but no business rule. Any invalid values allowed. We are not giving the balance condition business rule as greater than zero or something. Next example of encapsulation, data hiding plus control is possible here. Here already I hidden the data, so data hiding is possible. Protect. So through methods, we are protecting. Only the methods only can access this data. Next, what they are doing, validation. Amount is greater than zero only. This balance is updated. Okay, then only the balance is updated greater than zero, then you are supposed to add the amount in the initial balance. If it said already 1,000, if I'm passing 5,000, now 1,000 plus 5,000 is 6,000. This is the output you'll get. Minus 1,000 if I'm passing, minus 1,000 if I'm passing, what will happen? So here minus 1,000 greater than zero means condition is failed. It won't work. Okay, if I'm getting the balance, we'll get the output as what will happen? The return balance, the older balance only displayed. In case if I'm not initializing anything, zero will be passed. That is zero point 0.0 because it is a double. Zero point 0.0 only will be passed. Okay, this is about encapsulation. Data hidden, controlled access, business rule also applied. In case if I'm using the mobile phone, here I'm using the data as a private. Data hiding means only I will focus on this area. I'm not validating here. So there is no limit check, no business rule. Here I'm using the business rule. Volume greater than zero and then volume less than or equal to 100. Why I'm again rest up these things? Because we already explained in a real-time examples. Please refer the previous videos. I'm just giving you overview because in this session I can't able to explain it one by one. This is just a review session. Okay, brush up the previous concepts. The only valid volume allowed here because I'm using the business logic, business rule greater than zero and less than 100 only. You have to initialize the values. So final difference, the solid one, data binding means makes the data private. Here wraps the data plus logic. Protects from direct access. Here protects plus control. Okay, this is a partial protection. This is complete protection. I hope this is clear to you. This first, if the session is useful, then like the video and subscribe the channel for more update. Please share it with your friends. Thank you.